next one is from Ian. He asks, how do you anticipate handling EMR unbundling unfolding over the next 3 years? And how are you planning for it internally?
Yeah, that's a tough question. I think any response I would give in this space is also probably predicated on some thought about bulk FHIR as a necessity. So when I talk about like unpacking the EHR in some way, I think that there's like this whole other universe of use cases, analytics, pop health, pharma, life sciences, so on and so forth, where it's just like, I need deep population level data, and I need that in a way that I can de-identify or I can move and execute to make my workflows happen at a macro level, and not just simply unpacking data at a single patient context level. So how do I see it happening? I think, we haven't quite crossed the milestone for like Bulk FHIR to be an absolute necessity, and we'll see that at the turn of the calendar year. It'll be really interesting to see who picks up the Bulk FHIR aspects in terms of like major support for it, and like what the business model looks like for that, and all those other elements. So I definitely see, in terms of like unfolding the EHR, but I definitely see a general pattern of like more and more parts of the healthcare ecosystem, EHRs, financial systems, so on and so forth, are becoming more ecosystem-like. Some of them are doing it better than others and faster than others. But I see a general nudge towards, okay, hey, yeah, we have our own proprietary database, we have our own application suite, we have all these users and a huge part of the market share, but like, we're not going to be able to build everything. And so there's innovation happening all over the place, and you're starting to see an ability and a willingness to take these standards, unpack some of the proprietary aspects a little bit, and find new ways to create value in really a network fashion. So maybe that was my answer. I don't know if it really was what was meant by unbundling, but that's my take on it.